We'll guide you through how to use rectangle mask in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many video editors want to learn how to create overlay and masking effects in CapCut, but find the tools confusing. Beginners especially need step-by-step guidance that IT helps them improve editing skills and create more professional visuals. First, open CapCut on your desktop to begin the editing process. Once the application is ready, create a new project by pressing the New Project button on the main screen. After that, import 2 clips into the project by selecting the Import option and choosing your video files. Once the clips are imported, add those clips to the timeline so you can start editing them. Next, click on the second clip in the timeline to select it for further editing. After selecting it, drag the clip to the top track to make it an overlay clip above the first one. Then, tap on the overlay clip to ensure it is active and ready for adjustments. On the right menu, look for the mask section and scroll if necessary to find it. Once you find the mask option, click it to open the masking settings. Turn the mask feature on first so you can begin customizing the effect. Then, choose the rectangle type from the available mask shapes. From here, you can set the rotation, position, and feather of the mask to match your desired visual result. Adjust each setting carefully so the overlay blends well with the background clip. You can also add a keyframe to the mask if you want the effect to change over time. Place the keyframe at the desired point and modify the mask settings to create motion or transitions. Continue adjusting until the effect looks smooth and visually pleasing. After completing the masking and keyframe adjustments, check all the settings again to ensure everything is correct. Review the timeline and preview the video to confirm the result meets your expectations. If something does not look right, make the necessary corrections before exporting. Once you are satisfied with the final output, export the project by clicking on the File section and selecting the Export option. Choose your preferred resolution and format, then wait for the export process to complete so your edited video is saved successfully.